Thank you very much. My name is Stella Nyapaco, one of the aspirants for Women MP Amuru District. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the President of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for the love he has for us as the country, as members of NRM, but also on the other side, I am so grateful that today we have taken the bold agenda. I want to emphasize this bold agenda because we are the young generation who have been nurtured and mentored into NRM system. If I want to tell the whole world that as we the actually young leaders who have come to help the clan, the tribe, we are not going to reverse back. We have been robbed seriously with our votes, our victory, and we are here together as actually, as team young leaders, because in leadership we need to mentor people. But it is so sad in actually we don't want to nurture, we don't want to mentor people. If we are to ask our leaders, whom have they mentored? Instead, they're just fighting us left and right. Me, I for one, Nyapaco, I am ready for any kind of move because I need to fight for my home district as Amuru. I have to fight for my tribe as Acholi. I know very well as NRM, as NRM members, as NRM supporters, we really want to come together and see that NRM as a party moves forward. For us as bold agenda, we decided to come together just like our president did it some time back. I remember very well, via history tells us this. The late president, Obote, our president went into the bush just purposely to fight for the rightful results of election. So if I come up with my colleagues and we say that this is wrong, it doesn't mean that we hate NRM. We love NRM, we have been serving for NRM, we have been mobilizing for the president, and we shall continue mobilizing for the president. But we are saying no to injustices which is being portrayed, which is being inflicted into us. We are the young generation who we are looking left and right that we are supposed to nurture the country, we are supposed to nurture our district. And if this is being done to us, who are the next leaders? I want this question to be answered by our elders, whom we have been counting on to them as our parents. So what we are trying to tell the whole world that let them stand firm. We are going to continue fighting for our justice. We want the president to come up and also point at these people who think politics of the country or politics of actually sub-region belongs to them. I am telling you, there is nobody who was born in politics. If they've defeated you, go home and begin a project. Because when you came into leadership, we supported you. We supported you. To make the matter worse, some of us were insulted badly. We have been there, left day and night supporting our party. And here comes when you show interest that you are to come and give leadership to your nation or to serve your country, people come and sit on you. Is that right? I want to spread this more in our language. Ati legodano weng, luak mi acholi, luak mi amuro, kamana agi iye, adgak latien mamegu Nyapaco, unge ya mabeya reda. Gino time eni, wan machalo wan lutien acholi wa o malo ya, peti dokchen kingech. Awaja tila dirlobu, mi tiere lum, kene, ka jumoko joini. Eno wan po wabi tiere lum, pien en bono tiere lum, pien ni, nogi kwalo kui. Po yen ka duki pa kui, po bore. Wan pien watika wajani, wan po wa yen, ka duki kui ede, wan po wabi tiere lum. Lum wa yebu beru kilo gada, angeyo la dit Yoweri Museveni ti dang ma riek dang ma maru wan tutwal o weko tin pato don ti pati mu don in u don ki ti pa an ki woni eni weng ti nyu mogo nyiga ria dek magi tamo ni kibi mi balo pati wan po abi ye amira fo lu tela mi amor mi pati mi amor amaru da fo yu tutwal pien wigi komi angeyu romu ma paparo malo katimu wang dano po wa deg lu tiano eguni lu tiano wa po wa degi wa degi na gitika timo nene pogo pok wa wan ko beri wan wa ye beri lu tiano kinma wa ala wa chelo ka da wugi wa bachala dirlo bu fut ko angeyu ni uberi ki kar mi chimo wang lu tiano ma kilogi ka nekwa yin petwer ai ne lu tiano pa dano weng ti tamni mi wa dong chingma fu po wa bu fu yu tamoni ma ki waja ni wu time otie candidate nyu tie juma state miru wano miro niang angama miru an pengone one no one pe gamente one in a ye gamente ni one ngarumo po vowa one watie mo wati ready pe gimo ke ken ka chala ananya pa jo paluor gimo ka voar ke do voar be dong da ngiyo kede gino mo e ken anati ready ko yini voar di woke voar de cheng pira petek ira ana ka chimo wang dano weng ni what wa en wati won mini ye petit dok chen ki ngech we pa moro kole ki wani itechi ngwen ka ini tamoni iti chu ya da la wipo bo mare wan wa bi chu ya da be wa mede gi chu ya da pe wa bi dok chen ki ngewa mi yo support kila dirlo kita wa cha ko kede wa chon ki chon bene wa jiu twin la dirlo ni u bet ki gen ni wan wa bi mete ki ngo ki mi ne chwa ena po be ye dik makitika di wa kede natamiro ngaro mono bed mere ko MP ma me ute ganga nye ato bed MP pa jumi ate kunu tela weng lwa ye yero pete ngaro moy ya chudi kan madong en dir la ngo le lwa pere do lego wan lwa ko weng mariene lwa ma aka mor ubed mot da beto mot ngaro mono we obeda gonya eno bedong pe agonya tetwal dano beda tanya jimi we obedo mabe atiki gen alors man pe lo bana ki lobona ana foye mate